Good morning, my pretties. How are you this morning? Hope you are having a spectacular moment in life. I hope things are going well for you and your loved ones, and that whatever is going on, you're making choices that are making you happy, healthy, and well. I spoke to a doctor yesterday here in Brisbane, and it was really exciting because everyone who I've been listening to in the past year and a half have been from overseas, so it was so delightful and fabulous to find someone who not only has been paying attention to everyone that I've been paying attention to in the past 18 months, but he's actually created a website. So with lots of information on there that's just fantastic, which is cmnnews.org. That's cmnnews.org. And this Dr. Jerry is just phenomenal, and he knew firsthand of many of the things that have been going on around the place. He's been a doctor for 50 years, but not just a regular GP here in Australia. He had, like when he was telling me his history, he's just one of these phenomenal human beings who has firsthand knowledge of all sorts of things and shenanigans going on the planet. So it was just spectacular. Anyway, so this morning I thought I would do a balance around just loving ourselves, trusting our gut, owning our emotions. Our emotions are not us. And I was sort of thinking, there's that phrase that's sort of become, like if you are angry, that makes it you are angry, whereas it's just an emotion that comes and goes. We need to learn to forgive ourselves. We need to learn to look at what's going on and understand that we are not our emotions. They come and go. We are not our frustrations, our angers, our grief, our love, we're not the emotions. They just come and go as part of our life. Our life is good. Things are allowed to be transient. Things are allowed to shimmy and change and be vibrant. So anyway, I just thought I'd keep it really simple. And once again, I saw a phrase on good old Facebook yesterday that was by Morgan Freeman. I don't know whether he really said it. You never know whether these memes are real. But it was, just because I don't agree with you doesn't mean I hate you. We need to remember this more now than ever. And I thought, how true is that? Everyone is entitled to their own opinion. We don't need to hate. We don't need to shame and guilt people. We don't need to create this division and divide, which is the divine plan, to be creating people to be separate, to be stopping people from communicating, to be censoring our every thought, our every word, our every utterance in life. It's not the way humans are meant to be. It's just not. Love. I am love. I am loved. I am lovable. See you in a sec.